In this video, I'm going to share with you definitely how to become an affiliate marketer with legendary 15 days challenge. The 15 days business challenge within Legendary Marketer. Very simple and easy how to become an affiliate marketer and what you need to do in order to become an affiliate. Now, I'm going to share all little tips and shade. And if you have watched the video before where I share all the secret bonuses inside of Legendary Marketer 15 days challenge, if you watch that video, then you know definitely what are the things to expect inside of Legendary Marketer. However, today I will show you how to become an affiliate, where all these buttons and clicks are for you to definitely become an affiliate and start earning good commission as an affiliate marketer. Inside here, I will share definitely what you need to look for. So please stay tuned. Now, once you have passed through for the 15 days here completely, and you complete the 15 days inside here of the 15 days challenge, there are something very special that you will see on your page, and that is after David Sharp, I'll share with you entirely and tell you congratulations. Once you scroll down to the bottom of the page right here, you will see apply now. And as you can read, if you love our company and you would like to refer others to us, definitely and earn commission for doing so, you can become an affiliate. So once you come right here and you click on the button, it will show you definitely how you got to apply and what you need to do. However, I'm already applying an affiliate definitely for them, so it won't really show you into your page. But once you go there and you fill out the form, you gotta fill the form into the point of understanding all about affiliate marketing and what you need to do. You don't know how you gotta really fix things in the right way. Once you do so, they will accept you definitely to become an affiliate for them. It may take you probably 24 hours towards 72 hours definitely for them to send you the email to tell you that they have confirmed you to become an affiliate for them. Once you do so, you will come towards this entire page, and this page is a page that you're going to go through a lot more training of how to become an affiliate marketer. You can see this is introduction towards the affiliate program, how to get paid. You mention about the funnel, the leads, members. You talk about the access to your report. You talk about to see who rank up, the commission earning, the overview, the affiliate link, the affiliate funnel, and much more. As you can check over this side here, you can see courses, resources definitely, and talk about the entire affiliate Facebook group and much more. And you can see these are all different training courses definitely, and affiliate marketing training totally. Brand new free bonuses training for affiliate marketers, for affiliates. And as you can see, fast track to success. We've been telling you exactly about how you can do your things to start earning money real fast and the entire follow-up of things. And over on this side here, you can see you have the point where you set up your e-wallet, definitely for you to start collecting your entire commission. You have here for the funnel. Over here mentioned about the funnel, the different type of funnel, which you can look at the business challenge funnel, exactly what may convert for you best and what may not. And as you can see here, if you promote this entire business builder challenge, you can look for commissions in various ways. As you can see, you got upsales after the 15 days. You got a point where they could purchase, what are you going to say, the business blueprint starter package, which is for $2,005. And your commission is somewhere anywhere from 10 to 20% on the free version of things. And if you gotta pay the paid version where they give you much more training and so on, you'll be receiving anywhere from 20 to 30% commission. So you can look at this. If you're in the free version and you gotta earn 10% of $2,500, that is definitely, you're looking at $250 for just this. If you get a 20% on it, you'll be looking at $500 just for promoting this entirely. And you know, you promote for $47, and this is where the up sale of the high tickets you'll be looking at Plus, do not finish there. There are others, a high ticket you've been looking at as Business Blue Plan and Mastery for 4,500. At 10%, you will be looking at $450. So you want to look at things to say, okay, if you're getting a 10% or the 20%, you'll be making something real good. And if you can put yourself to the point to make much more within all of this, to say, okay, you want to put yourself on the pro version where you'll be earning anywhere from 20 to 30%, then you'll be looking at a higher point of conversion, definitely within all of this. Alright, so I've been looking at point where if you're on the free version, 250 at one point, 450 at another point, and at the next point you are looking at 950. These are some real good income that we would also look at and say, oh, we want to have this, we want to enjoy this, we want to enjoy it. But as I'm going to step in further on and really show you, definitely right here, you have a lot to really get in. That you look at, those are just the details. You have the affiliate link, the autoresponder that you can deal with, the resources. And when we talk about resources, you have a lot more of things definitely that we've been showing you all about. All of these different resources so you can use to promote and make the best of all you gotta do. Plus, informations are so much here for you to access and get a lot of things for you to start making the money here online. So if I go over towards the 15 seconds free lead, that's the next point where we're showing you as much as you've been giving this actually away, you would say, because it's at a very low price, but you can have something in real good, because this is very easy to convert at $1, but the bump up funnel for the high ticket sales are still making a high amount of money, just like the Business Builder Challenge. And you got the insider guide, right, which is for affiliate ebook. You have the same $1.99, and you still have the opportunity to make a high amount of income same way. So different areas you have been looking at, such as the leads, the members, the resources, and all of that. Once you really get to the point of looking at what the scoreboard is, your commissions, your custom funnel, and much more things, you gotta really say to yourself, okay, you want to see exactly how you can do all of this. And once you sign up already, there are also a very simple area. You come over to your account, right here you see affiliates. Once you click on the affiliates, it will take you right inside this very same affiliate page. Plus, once you have the 15 days builder challenge, it's not complete as yet, because you have many training. Definitely, if you go towards products, you end up owning this 15 seconds free lead, right? So once you buy the 15 days challenge, you also have the 15 seconds free lead, where you get very much training on how you can become an affiliate, how you can start promoting, how you can make the best of everything. Definitely, this is just the entry point of how easy it is for you to sign up and make fortune of commission, definitely, from 15 days challenge here on Legendary Marketer. It is so easy, it is so nice. This is something you can do from anywhere in the world. So you got to really jump in right now. If you haven't purchased the 15 days challenge as yet, you can check the link in the description. You will get access definitely to it, and you will have all that you need to really start right now.